Heidi and John and David, being our franchisors, Heidi being our franchise manager, is always available. I think probably she rings back within about 30 seconds of any time that I've rang her. We all get along fantastically well. They're very, very approachable people. There's not really anything that you can't ask them. I've found their support to be fantastic, to be perfectly honest.
And you just already mentioned the fellow franchisee support, and I think a lot of people underestimate how important that is for franchisees, especially when you're starting out. Just being able to call on someone, whereas if you're independent or if you try to do this by yourself, who do you call? It's one of those things.
Oh, look, I've said many a times, if I hadn't have brought a franchise, if I had have gone out and started mix antennas or something like that, it would have taken years and years and years to get off the ground. Whereas obviously buying into a franchise system, I think a lot of people don't realise that you are buying a business, but you're buying a network as well. And in that network of people, they're all doing like-minded jobs, so that when you do have an issue, or even if you're just having a bad day and you're going from one job to the next, you pick up the phone and you go, "Oh, hey, what are you doing? Oh, this happened, that happened." You get home, you can talk about it at home, but it's not amongst somebody that sort of understands your industry very much.
Absolutely.